Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to do cookies instead of the cupcakes. The difference between the icings is one is buttercream, one is royal icing. The buttercream for the cupcakes is more thick and stiff, and the royal icing is very liquidy. So with this, we're just going to have a little bit of fun with it. We're not really going to have any instructions really, only because I want you to get used to the consistency of your royal icing. Teachers, please ask Ms. Letitia for the fork spoons that you guys have, and also wax paper to put the cookies on in order to decorate. You're going to need scissors to also cut the tip, the smallest tip that you can, off your piping bags. And again, just have fun. Okay, so these are your supplies. You have a piping bag, the scissors to cut the tip, your royal icing, cookies, and a cup. So just like last time we did this before, we're going to just fold the piping bag onto your cup and fold it over. We're going to pour your royal icing inside of your piping bag. You can use a spoon to get all the little pieces that you want. You shouldn't use all of your royal icing. You guys should have a lot in there. I did is less than a cup's worth of royal icing here, and you guys have a little bit more, and I did 4 cookies. So we are not going to push very hard on this. We're going to take our scissors and cut the smallest tip, very, very tiny tip, kind of like the tip of a pencil or the tip of a pen, very small, like if we're writing with this, okay? We're going to take your cookie with your left hand, or whichever hand that you're not dominant with, and you're going to press on the sides and pull over. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's only to stop the flooding from flowing over your cookie. So we're going to do another one. Again, pull over just the outside of your cookie. Again, we're just going to have fun with this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to get used to the consistency of your royal icing. We're just outlining the cookie, pushing very slightly, very slightly. And here goes another one. Okay, so now we're going to squeeze the tip, and you're going to cut another small piece. Not very small, but just a little bit like that. Just like this. And then we're going to squeeze. Just do a blop. Just like that. Blop. 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 Just like that. You might need a little bit more while you're spreading. So you're going to take your toothpick, and you're just going to slightly kind of smudge the sides, smudge it around, just to fill your cookie up. Remember, all the way to the edge. Pretty much that first piping that you did is just not to get the royal icing to pour over the edge. So we're just going to neatly and nicely kind of line up the icing to the edge. Just like this. See, it's kind of smooth. We're going to shake it a little bit. You could blow on it if you like, because it's your cookie. Just like that. We're just spreading and spreading and spreading. We're just going to keep doing that until the whole cookie is covered. But again, this is just how you would do it. The next tutorial, we're going to add color to it. So it could be, more design. Right now we're just trying to teach how to start off. So we're just using your toothpick, shaking it, making sure you get all the sides. At any time, teachers, you guys can always pause the video if some kids doesn't understand, or they need some time to pour their icing in the bags, or you know, if they need time spreading their icing or anything, if they need some time, you can always pause it. Normally I put pause for 10 or 5 minutes, but you guys could just pause it at any time. So here are your cookies. It's still a little bit wet. So while the royal icing is wet, we're going to add some stuff to it just so it looks a little bit cute. And I decided to add some sprinkles. So we got some gold sprinkles. We'll just drizzle some on here. Just like this. Just a little pinch, not a lot. Just a pinch. And while it dries, your sprinkles are going to be stuck to your cookie. So right now it's wet. Don't touch it. And there goes your cookies. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you next time.